If you've recently gotten your hands on the iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max, you might have heard some chatter about display responsiveness issues. Today, we're going to dive into what's been going on with these highly anticipated devices. If you're experiencing any trouble with the touchscreen or just want to stay informed, you've come to the right place. Let's break it down. Since the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max hit the market, some users have reported that their devices aren't responding to touch as expected. And we're not talking about minor delays. Some are saying their screens lag or completely ignore taps. Not exactly the premium experience you'd expect from a device priced over $999, right? Frustrated users have taken to forums and social media to voice their concerns. For many, it's unclear whether this is a hardware defect or a simple software glitch. Fortunately, early speculation leans towards the latter, with experts and users alike hoping it's a bug that can be fixed in an update. So what could be causing the problem? A few users believe that the issue might be related to the new asterisk camera control asterisk button, which is located on the right side of the screen. Some have noticed that when their fingers or palms come close to this area, the phone becomes unresponsive to touch inputs, except for the home bar at the bottom. It's likely that Apple's touch rejection system, the technology that ignores accidental touches, is being overly cautious. This feature is supposed to prevent unwanted touches from affecting your phone, but if it's too sensitive, it can block intentional taps, especially when you're near that camera control button. Another thing to consider is the design of the iPhone 16 Pro. Compared to the iPhone 15 Pro, the newer model has even thinner bezels. While this makes the phone look sleeker and gives you more screen real estate, it might also be contributing to the touch issue. With less room around the edges, the chances of accidental touches are higher, and this might be throwing off the touch rejection system. Now, this isn't the first time Apple has faced technical issues with the new iPhone release. If you remember back in 2010, there was the infamous antenna gate with the iPhone 4. Holding the phone a certain way could cause a significant drop in signal. Apple's response at the time was to provide free cases to customers to solve the issue. Could we see a similar approach with the iPhone 16 Pro's touch issues? Time will tell. While we wait for an official response or software update from Apple, there are a few things you could try if your iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max is acting up. One potential fix is to use a phone case. This can help by covering the edges near the camera control button, reducing the likelihood of accidental touches that confuse the phone's sensors. Another temporary solution: locking your phone. Some users have noticed that these unresponsive screen issues only happen when the phone is unlocked and in use. If you're having trouble swiping through apps or navigating home screens, locking and unlocking the phone could help in the short term. As of now, the issues seem to be software related, and there's hope that Apple will release an iOS update soon to patch things up. If this is indeed a bug, a quick update might restore the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max to their full potential. Make sure to keep your phone up to date by installing any new iOS updates as soon as they're available. This will ensure you're running the latest software with all the necessary bug fixes. So, are you one of the iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max owners experiencing these screen issues? Let us know in the comments if you found any other tricks to improve responsiveness. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.